Okay, this is the second video, and the engine and transmission can be removed from LS460. There are a few things that need to be done. These parts need to be unscrewed. The sway bar needs to be unscrewed. It doesn't need to be removed, just unscrewed and lowered out of the way. Same thing on this side. And my Crown Discovery. So, come on, where is it? I gotta lay down. Okay, here it is. This piece, the shaft for power steering, it moves in. You can move it all the way out of the way of the O2 sensor, and it clears it, no problem. So there's the O2 sensor, and there's the shaft. I need a third hand to show you how it moves, but believe me, you can just push on it and it goes in all the way out of the way. Also, the power steering needs to be unscrewed. It does not need to be removed, just unscrewed and moved out of the way. It moves out of the way, no problem. And let's see if we can get the engine out of this car. Over here, this portion, you can see there's some residue that comes really close to the firewall, but it does clear it. I don't know how we're gonna put it back in, but as of right now, it clears no problem. Okay.
Подожди. Тебе...
Don't touch nothing. Just record and don't speak. Okay. Let's see. What? What? No. Okay. What? Oh, it fell out? Oh, okay. That's okay. No big deal. Drive shaft fell out. Okay, so the drive shaft, I should have taken better care of it, but hopefully it'll just go back in. The engine is much heavier on this side, so most of the weight is on there. Well, on there too. It's not well balanced. I cannot turn. My mistake is putting the crank on this side. Should be on that side, so keep that in mind. But if I raise it up high enough, and I think I still have a little bit of height left, I should be able to clear all my obstacles. Possibly my power steering fell out of the way because it's completely unscrewed, but no damage here. And I just need to make sure I get the engine out all the way, and then we'll balance it on the floor. The engine is almost out. I'm a bit worried about these connectors. Everything is so tight, and looks like those connectors carry most of the weight. They look like they still hold on. Okay. I should be able to lower it right now and adjust the balance. Alright, I've adjusted the balance of the engine. And now it's level. Let's lift it up a little bit and see what we'll have. Still most of the weight is on that side. Oh wow, okay. So presently the engine is floating, balanced, and I need to get this out of the car ASAP. As always, there is a problem. I reached the height of my garage door, so I need to lower this thing just ever so little bit. Okay, should be, yep, clears. Keep moving, keep moving. Okay, it's out. Now I need to find a piece of wood or something to put this onto. But here is space for a few horses. Okay, this video is over. The engine is out, and hopefully if somebody can use this information and wants to do some repair like this, be my guest. Thank you for watching. Give me a like if you liked the video. This was one of the toughest jobs I've done, but not impossible. Thank you for watching.